Welcome to today's live open home on Facebook. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Now today we're in the Elevate Apartments on level 8 and I've got a wonderful one-bedroom apartment to show you. So here we go, we'll have a look around and we'll take in this lovely little apartment. So first of all up, we're going to look at the kitchen. It's a lovely kitchen, and we've got to bear in mind this is a one-bedroom apartment and it's got everything you need. Lots of cupboard space, big fridge, plenty of room to work on the kitchen bench. Very nice new Smeg oven. Ceramic cooktop. Now I really love this floor plan. It's really a sharp floor plan for a one-bedroom apartment. It's great because it's really simple. So you've got this nice big open plan living area here. Got a section here for the dining, which you could put in other places in this apartment if you like to, but we've also got good storage. We've got some linen cupboard here and the laundry in here. Now the laundry is great too because it's got some wonderful appliances, Bosch appliances, washing machine and dryer, which are great. I'm not sure whether they're actually chattels in the sale, but it's good to see them here. And then we'll have a look at the rest of the living area. So lots of room here. Enough room for a couch and a couple of casual chairs, as you can see. And the other thing that's great from here is we've got this wonderful view. And this excellent little Juliet balcony. So we've got a great view from here. Isn't that magic? Great shot of the town belt and Mount Vic, as you would have seen the harbour as well. So outstanding view. You can stand up here all day long and watch the world go by. It's a fantastic central location. Now just also, I'm not sure whether it will show up in the video, but closing the window and the sliding door does make a heck of a lot of difference with the sound quality. And just also make mention of the fact that it is double glazing. You might just want to have a look here, just to point out the fact we've got double glazing here, so it's nice and quiet, and being on level 8 as well is a long way away from the traffic, so that's also good for noise. The bedroom. This is a great bedroom. I said this is a rather perfect one-bedroom floor plan, and I mean it. Got a good size area for a bed. It's a nice sized bedroom. You've got lovely big windows as well, floor to ceiling, glass, and lots of room. Enough room for a chest of drawers, a couple of bedside cabinets. There's a closet here with a hot water cylinder. And the other thing which makes this work really well is you've got double wardrobe here. So good wardrobe space. And well laid out with a good shelving system in place there. And what just touches this off too is we've got an excellent modern tiled bathroom. Nice big open shower. Lovely tiled surfaces just to help to keep the place nice and clean and tidy. An excellent sink. Just pan in there a bit closer, Alex. So you've got this nicely designed sink area here, a little ledge here to put your things, and a good deep sink. Lots of storage. Again, whoopsie, sorry, he hates that. All right, so I'll come over here now and we'll just talk about the apartment. Now the apartment is 51 square metres and it's on level 8 and Elevate at 30 Taranaki Street. It's been advertised as buyer inquiry over $475,000 and it's been sold by way of tender if not sold prior. So that's tender if not sold prior, and the tender date is October the 10th, which is a Wednesday at 3 o'clock. So tender if not sold prior, tender closing October 10 at 3 p.m. So a couple of other things I should touch on while I'm here is that it's a lovely modern apartment. So being modern means that it's got some great seismic credentials. and also the fact that it's in a very, very convenient part of town. So super convenient, super central. Everything's really at the doorstep. You just step out onto Taranaki Street. You've got the waterfront in that direction. You've got Courtney Place there, and you've really got everything in the city around you. So you can walk to work, walk out at night, and not really need a car. So that's quite helpful too. All right. So one other thing is we've got some open homes coming up. We've got one tonight. I've found recently that doing open homes on a Thursday at 5:30 do work really well. So again, making open homes easy for busy people. If you wanted to stroll by here at 5:30 tonight, then I'll be happy to see you. So again, I've got some prefab coffee vouchers. So for the first 20 people that come through, or for the first 10 couples that come through, I've got 2 coffee vouchers from prefab. So free coffees on me from prefab from John Kettle at Tommy's Real Estate. There you go. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed our walkthrough and you can understand what a lovely little apartment this is here at 8D bar 30 Taranaki Street. So that's John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much. Over and out.